step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I carefully scrutinize
each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's shoot this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Keep your bag down of your seatbelt. Row 4, top left. Keep your bag down of your seatbelt, please. Row 2, middle right. Middle right, please. Keep your bags out of your seatbelt. Row 5, middle left. Keep your bags out of your seatbelt. Row 1, bottom right. Bottom right. Bottom right. Keep your bags out of your seatbelt, please. Oh, you guys were in row 5. Row 5. Alright. Row number 6. Right this way. Please no video recording or flash photography. Hang on to your loose items like that, bags and glasses.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Here we go! Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Okay, I got
It didn't help us at all. If you're thinking me, think twice.